Well, I've just been chatting away there for like about 10 minutes and it wasn't switched on. It's got to be Monday morning. I've just passed the Angel of the North there, 20 years old. Angel of the North. Desperate in need of a lick of paint. Just coming down Team Valley. Not too bad at all, the traffic at the moment. I was expecting a lot worse there, like. The radio was saying there's loads of delays on southbound around, well, all the way back Gosforth up to here. I hope you guys enjoy my fishing video, and it's a little taste of the extra things that I'll be using, like putting up on here. You're not into fishing, you just don't watch it, it's absolutely fine. And excuse me, I had a cracking day with my pal there, Chris, and I think, well, what was it? It was from half past 7 was set sail. He picked me up at 6:15, set off 7:30, and we got back in at 5 PM. What a great day. Although the fish weren't biting like they had been all week, and trust me, they have been biting all week, I still managed to get a nice £5 cod, £5 2, and also 11 or 12 mackerel, half of which I use as bait and the other half I'll eat, because I love it. Doing a little bit of stuff in the back garden tonight, and I've saved a couple of full-size mackerels and I'll just be cooking them on the barbecue. Bloody lovely. Getting out again very soon as well, and now I know that I was on the JFK too, by the way. A big shout out to them, like absolutely unbelievable. Lovely skipper Alan, lovely boat, nice crew, good crack, clean, loads of room, fantastic. We got as far as Cresswell as well, like went up, we did loads of wrecks, but there was just nothing about. I'm on the double deckers today. I like to sit in this lane. I'm doing 50, it's a 50-mile-an-hour limit. I'm doing 50, keeping a nice space in front of us and just avoiding the inside lane, because there's people coming on, going off, going on, going off, and before you know it, you've got to be in this lane anyway. So as long as you're cracking on with the speed limit, just go with it. Murky day. I'm hoping this burns out for us. It was really foggy when I left the house this morning. I left at 6 AM. Proper foggy going around my street. Believe it. Imagine it'll be like that down on the coast and things, unless it burns out by the time I get there. We shall see. You've got to be in this lane now, you see, for 6 things. So before you know it, it's 2 lanes anyway. And then you're allowed to start overtaking again, HGVs. 46 mile an hour now, I'm happy just sitting here. Right, cue music. Very, very tempted to pull in and get a bacon sonny there, but no. Crack on. Just at the border, Scotland now. As soon as I got past Gosforth, that was the traffic clear, no bother at all. ETA 10 to 11, but I'll be taking the 15 of course, in my usual spot if I can get in. Cup of tea, stretch my legs. So around about 11:15 I should be in there. My usual load in the back, it's all cardboard and empty trays. You bring back the big metal trays and things like that to get washed and repacked. So there isn't a great deal on the back today. Very, very quiet weekend, strangely enough. I've got half a load on the top deck, and I've got a load mainly trays for the wash. Very, very little rubbish. Strange. Depending on whether people are in the mood when I get there, it'll be a very, very quick turnaround. Get this emptied out, take a 30 break, a sandwich, and see if my trailer's ready. Into the mist. I've got quite a queue of traffic behind us. Not for long. Carriageway. So I'll just start boosting it up a little bit now from 40, just start crawling away. There we go. 50. It's not very long, this dual carriageway, like about a couple of miles. Right, during my 15-minute break there, I've managed to spend 100 quid. Friggin' hell. I needed a top plate for me panniers to fit a Givey box on, which I've also just purchased a Givey box as well. Hardly used, immaculate condition, yada yada yada. 65 quid, he wanted to make an offer. I did a cheeky 50 quid offer there, and it instantly came back accepted. So paid for that, paid for the Givey top plate. The bike's still up the hill today, still up Westgate Road, it's been there since Friday. Had loads of bother with it, loads of bother fitting that. I am so glad I didn't tackle it on my own. I am rewiring again, like you know, I put the new little indicators on and things, and the tail tidy on. Well, all that's got to come off. Well, it has come off. All just to fit the racks on. Unbelievable. So I'm going to make sure I get some hammer this summer, that's for sure. Be it with both of us or me on my own. I am away. Say I had solo biker there. But we'll think like, we'll not bother buying the box yet, we'll just get the plate and then we can just rest the tent on the plate. Well, the box is 47 litre, the tent's going to fit inside it. Simple as that. Perfect. You look at that wide load there, right? It's like a building. There's a it's like a giant shed, basically. And you wonder why they don't put the roof on after they get it delivered, and you wouldn't need 2 police cars taking up the time. Although the police get very well paid for the escort. They tend to like leave it to the weekend though, so they get double bubble. Here's another part of it just coming past now. Nice man cave though, eh? Right mate, are you going or what? I was in there 2 hours, so I just reset completely, took a full 45 minutes, there was nowhere near ready when I got in there. So I went to the canteen and I had some pasta bolognese. It was alright. Couple of quid, can't argue with that, can you? Frozen on the back, both decks, -21. I'm still on the bay, but the shouldn't have seen I was looking for a double decker, and he was like, "Are you after such and such one?" And he went, "Follow me." They have to unlock them off the bay, you know. Spot on. So I just hooked up, saved them a job, saved me hanging about. Canny guy. Toyota Land Cruiser. Quite like them, right? We're just going to be sitting slow for a while this thing's on the 720. Hopefully it spits off soon. All the loopings on the left hand side here, there's tons that I've just passed. These flowers here on the left. The mate told us that they used to grow them to feed the cattle, and obviously they're just seeds got out and about. Something like that. There you go. Interesting fact. Yeah, another dickhead. One's back carpet and floors. Dickhead of the day? No, because there's been a couple more like that. Look how close I am to the dual carriageway. Pillock.
Hello.
I was waiting for you to say we've just been bike jacked.
No, like an old couple looking at the bike and that, and I could see him coming over. I knew I wasn't going to get away with it, so I just thought I'll have a little chit chat with him. He was admiring it.
How fast does it go?
No, he wasn't that. He was just going like sensible, just, oh, it's a nice all rounder, isn't it, the phaser and all that. So, where are you?
Where do you reckon I am?
Purdy Lodge.
Angel of the North.
Shut the front door. You're having a giraffe.
No, I'm just climbing up the Bowes Incline now. Well, our traffic wasn't too bad at all for that time of night. 4:15, very, very lucky. I won't expect that too often. That's me just turning off, ready to get in the yard. Almost another one done. I've got a defect come up on the truck. Seeing one of the main lights out. I'll get that fixed for the next person that comes in the truck. I won't leave it and ignore it. It's a shit's trick. So I'll get that on. Because the guy will be taking this truck out today. He'll be driving through the night. Most certainly will be needing it. So I'll make sure that's done before I set off home. Been a good shift. No problems whatsoever. Catch you later.